I'm going to show you how to download and install Marvel Rivals on your PC completely for free. So after this video you will be able to play Marvel Rivals for free and it will only take less than a minute. So all you need to do is download Steam if you don't have it already, or you can also use Epic Games, but for this video I'm gonna use Steam. Now once you are here you need to create an account if you don't have any and search for Marvel Rivals right here. You will see the main store page and you can click on play game. So when you click here, this window will appear where you need to select the drive where you want to install the game, and after that just click on install and you will be redirected to this download site where you will see all the details about the installation, and after the download ends you can open the game and play. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.